And a very good morning to you. Dwight Davis with you for our Sunday morning look at our feathered friends, the birds. This morning, we're going to consider a summer bird. Summer has begun, and in earnest, to judge by the weather forecast. So this morning, we'll talk about a summer bird. Actually, most of the birds here now could be called summer birds, having come from Central and South America for the breeding season. But there's only one bird that can lay claim to having summer in its name, and we'll consider the summer tanager this morning. This bird and its familiar relative, the scarlet tanager, come north each spring, bringing their bright colors and their name from the tropics. The word tanager comes from the language of the Tupi Indians of the Amazon forests. They call these brightly colored birds tangaras, which was anglicized to tanager in the 19th century. The summer tanager, Piranga rubra, to give it its scientific name, derives its genus name from piranga, another South American name for these birds. Rubra, of course, means red. And red this bird is. The male summer tanager is all red, a bright rose red, no other color, and no crest like the cardinal. The female is much more subdued, olive above and orange-yellow below. It's a 7.5-inch bird, very common in the South in the summer, eating insects and berries, with a special fondness for bees and wasps. Apparently, it is not bothered by the stings. The fondness for these insects has led to the name bee bird in some parts of the South. The summer tanager spends its days in the dry woods and oaks and pines in our area and areas to the south of us. Now, one would think that a bright red bird that is rather common would often be seen. Well, it isn't, because it usually spends its time moving very slowly and deliberately through the foliage, surprisingly well concealed. It is more often heard before seen. The song is robin-like, and the descending call is very distinctive. So listen and look for this red bird of summer, the summer tanager, in our woods. Here's what it sounds like.